The Bespoke dishwasher offers innovative features designed to streamline your kitchen routine. With its powerful StormWash Plus system, cleaning the dirtiest dishes has never been easier. Dual wash arms and a rotating spray jet clean every corner, ensuring 1.5 times more coverage than standard models. Whether it's pots or delicate glassware, it guarantees a deep clean without the need for pre-rinsing. Equipped with SmartThings, the Bespoke integrates seamlessly into your connected home. A tailored sleep environment starts beneath the sheets. This advanced mattress topper lets you precisely manage bed temperature across a broad range, from a cool 60 degrees Fahrenheit up to a toasty 115 degrees Fahrenheit. Built with both cooling and heating technology, it's ideal for year-round use and perfect for sleepers who want complete climate control without changing the thermostat for the whole room. The ME half queen size is designed to regulate just one side of the bed, offering individual comfort without disturbing a partner. Push past the boundaries of flat screens with Brilliant Ultra Reality, a revolutionary leap in immersive visual technology. This isn't just another monitor, it's a portal. With a 122-inch virtual display wrapped inside a 110-degree field of view, your desk transforms into a cinematic experience that rivals a high-end VR headset without the headset. The FlickerFire Personal Fireplace offers a unique way to enjoy the warmth and ambiance of a fire without the mess of traditional fireplaces. Crafted in the US from durable concrete, it uses 70% or 91% isopropyl alcohol as fuel, providing a clean burn with no soot or smoke. The 45 to 60-minute burn time makes it perfect for small gatherings, whether indoors in a well-ventilated space or outside as a mini bonfire. This compact fireplace brings natural elements into any environment. Soft flickers of light dance through the mist, casting a cozy glow across the room. The Kinskot Flame Aromatherapy Diffuser crafts a perfect balance between relaxation and style. Built from premium quality materials, it fuses an essential oil diffuser, ultrasonic humidifier, and simulated flame into one elegant design. The interplay between the fog and ambient lighting delivers a lifelike flame effect that soothes the senses. The Sailwind Winter Defenders thermoregulating heated jacket stands out with cutting-edge features that promise warmth and convenience during cold weather. Equipped with intelligent temperature control, this jacket automatically adjusts to your body's needs, ensuring you remain comfortable in varying environments. Its innovative carbon nanotube technology enhances heat distribution, making it incredibly efficient while maintaining a lightweight feel. Gliding smoothly across your yard, the Eufy Robot Lawn Mower E18 introduces a revolution in lawn care without relying on wires, RTK stations, or signal towers. Thanks to cutting-edge Pure Vision FSD technology, precision cameras, and advanced algorithms, the E18 navigates independently, bringing true freedom to lawn maintenance. Setting up is effortless with hands-free auto mapping, where the mower measures distances and positions itself flawlessly. The Careral Sports Water Bottle stands out with its advanced features designed for athletes and health-conscious individuals. Built with PEM-SPE electrolysis technology, this bottle creates hydrogen-rich water, delivering up to 3,000 parts per billion of hydrogen concentration. This cutting-edge technology uses a platinum titanium electrode combined with a 1mm ionic membrane to maximize the water's hydrogen content, which is known for its potential health benefits. The Sweetie Flake Shaved Ice Maker redefines convenience and versatility in your kitchen with its innovative features. Whether you're preparing a refreshing treat for yourself or entertaining guests, this machine ensures a seamless ice-making experience. Its multiple ice styles offer the flexibility to create finely shaved snow, coarser textures, and everything in between, catering to various preferences. Equipped with a powerful 10-speed blade system, the Sweetie Flake can adjust its performance based on your desired texture, ensuring perfect ice consistency. When power reliability is essential, this powerhouse delivers. Built with a robust 286 watt-hour lithium iron phosphate battery, it offers superior durability and performance, ready for outdoor adventures, RV trips, or emergency backup. Equipped with 3 AC outlets handling up to 1200 watts, it easily powers multiple devices at once. Its ultra-fast UPS system ensures a seamless switchover in under 10 milliseconds, keeping essential electronics protected without interruption. Slide into a new era of portable power where gaming meets full-scale PC performance. The Techno Pocket Go redefines expectations, packing an AMD Ryzen 7 8840HS processor into a handheld design that blurs the line between console and computer. Fueled by 32 gigabytes of LPDDR5 memory and a lightning-fast 1 terabyte SSD, this machine demolishes load times and handles multitasking with unshakable stability. When it comes to mastering natural light in your home, the SwitchBot roller shade steps up with versatility and precision. Designed to cover window widths from 22.8 inches to 72.8 inches, it easily adapts with its retractable curtain box, even when your measurements aren't perfect. The innovation doesn't stop at fit. Swap out roller blind fabrics effortlessly to match seasonal decor or shifting style preferences, all without changing your current curtains. Control is always at your fingertips. A seamless blend of performance and design, the URO Cyberpad Treadmill transforms any workspace into a private fitness hub. Built specifically for integration with office stand desks, this machine maintains a quiet, dust-free environment thanks to its advanced brushless motor technology. This motor not only ensures long-lasting durability, but also operates with remarkable silence, allowing for uninterrupted focus during work calls or meetings. Elite Nest by Hulala Home isn't just a recliner, it's a mission control center built for those who take their downtime seriously. Equipped with a detachable mini fridge that holds up to 40 cans, your drinks stay cold and close at hand. The dual-motor power recline lets you adjust the headrest and footrest separately for max comfort, while the built-in Bluetooth audio system surrounds you in cinematic sound. Wireless charging, a generously sized 3.27-inch cup holder, and modular configuration add practical luxury to every angle. Mornings feel richer when your kitchen holds a tool that treats each slice of bread like a work of art. Designed with groundbreaking innovation, the Balmuda. The Toaster Pro elevates toasting into an experience of flavor and texture. Instead of using dry heat alone, it begins with a delicate pour of 5 cubic centimeters of water. This water transforms into steam, wrapping your bread in a gentle mist that protects moisture inside while creating a beautifully crisp exterior. Experience the next level of home security with the Accara U200 door lock, a sleek and powerful solution designed for modern living. Engineered with a fingerprint keypad included, it offers seamless, keyless entry for added convenience. Built on matter-over-thread technology, it ensures stable, energy-efficient connectivity, giving homeowners reliable access control without compromise. The lock fully supports Apple Home Key integration, allowing quick unlocking with just a tap of your iPhone or Apple Watch. Imagine finishing a meeting, unzipping your lunch setup, and dining with ease. Anywhere. Fold Eat transforms instantly from a slim pack into a full eating mat, offering a clean table at the office, the park, or even an impromptu dinner date. No clumsy setups, just pull the zipper and you're ready. Fold Eat's compact design adapts to your day. 1 or 2 containers for light days, 3 for gym sessions, or 4 for a full day's worth of meals. Carry it or leave it packed. It's flexible by design. The Aohai USB 4 2.0 8-in-1 cable set is a comprehensive solution for those seeking high-speed connectivity and fast charging in one reliable package. This versatile cable supports Thunderbolt 4, delivering data transfer speeds up to 40 gigabits per second, ensuring that large files and media move effortlessly between devices. Whether you're working on a MacBook Pro, iPad, or Galaxy, the 240-watt PD 3.1 USB-C fast charging feature ensures devices charge quickly and efficiently. Transform your movie nights with the Dash Smart Store Stirring Popcorn Maker, designed to deliver fresh, delicious popcorn every time. With the ability to make up to 24 cups of popcorn, it brings the authentic theater experience into your home. When you're finished, simply store any leftovers with the included storage lid that seals in freshness. Space-saving design is a standout feature as the base nests neatly inside the bowl and the lid provides a secure closure for quick and clean storage. The Ivation automatic rechargeable wine opener offers an efficient, elegant solution for wine lovers. This sleek electric cork extractor makes uncorking bottles a breeze, providing convenience with every use. Powered by a high-capacity lithium battery, it effortlessly uncorks up to 50 bottles on a single charge. The LED light indicator adds a touch of sophistication, making it easy to monitor the process. Imagine writing in midair, tapping invisible buttons, and swiping through digital content with just your fingertips. Senatch transforms gesture control into a full sensory experience. With handwriting, multi-finger typing, and intuitive air gestures, presentations in classrooms and meetings shift from static to fluid, letting you guide the room with effortless precision. Its handwriting function lets you sketch, annotate, and write without touching a screen, while multi-finger typing replicates a keyboard that floats just under your hand. Senatch pairs seamlessly with AR glasses, solving the long-standing challenge of interaction. It becomes the gateway for AR devices, offering natural swiping and tapping to unleash their full potential. Equipped with a high-performance 6nm MT6789 chip, Senatch doubles as a computing hub, supporting Android apps and offloading power needs from AR glasses. When relaxation demands more than just warm water, the Cabo steps in as a commanding presence in your backyard. Built for indulgence and engineered for year-round use, this spa blends smart tech, robust construction, and thoughtful design into one immersive retreat. Measuring generously with a square footprint, it accommodates up to 6 adults with ease, offering both comfort and space to stretch out. The dual massage system combines 140 soothing air jets with 4 targeted hydrojets, delivering a layered spa experience at 2 adjustable intensity levels, ideal whether you're unwinding after a workout or simply escaping the daily grind. Integrated Wi-Fi control lets you operate your spa remotely via a mobile app, adjusting temperature and jet settings without ever stepping outside. The rapid heating system warms the water up to 104 degrees Fahrenheit swiftly, while Freeze Shield technology keeps components protected in colder months. Crafted for those who move with purpose, the Oaklip Ultra delivers performance in a compact 2.09-inch form. This isn't just a pocket light, it's a triple-function powerhouse. With a 530 lumen output, it transforms from a broad floodlight to a precision spotlight, and even a UV beam for detailed inspection. Whether clipped to your backpack, brim, collar, or pocket, the dual-direction clip and ultra-slim profile keep it secure and accessible. The built-in Type-C port provides efficient, fast recharging, ideal for users who need reliable light on demand. The 3-point magnetic system allows the Oaklip Ultra to attach firmly to metal surfaces, offering hands-free illumination in workspaces, tight corners, or under the hood. Despite its ultralight build, it maintains an IPX5 water resistance rating and an impact resistance of 4.9 feet, proving it's built to endure real-world conditions. Step into a world where light bends, depth emerges, and clarity shatters boundaries. The Black Warrior. Cinematic 4. KRGB 3D GTV and KTV laser projector is engineered for immersive performance, harnessing naked eye 3D visuals powered by a precision 0.47-inch DMD chip. It unleashes a dazzling 3,000 ANSI lumens, flooding your space with luminous brilliance, even under ambient light. Experience cinematic quality with 4K UHD resolution enriched by RGB laser technology, delivering over 1 billion colors in razor-sharp detail. Whether you're indulging in an epic GTV night or elevating the vibe in KTV sessions, this projector's vibrant output refuses to compromise. Visual distortion is a thing of the past thanks to auto keystone correction, offering instant alignment regardless of angle. Even the most traditional bedroom can be transformed into a high-functioning space when this innovative side table enters the scene. Merging design with technology, this piece redefines what a nightstand should be. It includes a built-in cooling drawer, perfect for keeping drinks, snacks, or medication at the right temperature without leaving your bed. Whether placed beside your bed or your living room chair, the wireless charging pad on top keeps your phone powered without clutter. Bluetooth speakers are neatly integrated, offering immersive sound without requiring separate gear. And when night falls, the soft LED light underneath provides an ambient glow, ideal for late reading or subtle mood lighting. Equipped with both USB-C and standard 120-volt outlets, this table adapts to modern device needs, making cable chaos a thing of the past. When your household runs on battery-powered devices, wasted time and energy sorting through half-charged cells can slow everything down. That's where the Olight Ostian X steps in, built not just to charge batteries, but to redefine battery management altogether. The Ostian X doesn't just power up your batteries, it smartly handles them from start to finish with a seamless process. Analyze, charge, sort, and store. Thanks to its integrated superchip, it recognizes battery size, type, polarity, and health. Right batteries? Charged and stored automatically. No need to match ends. Faulty or incompatible ones? Redirected safely to the invalid bin. This 3-in-1 system charges groups of 4 batteries to full capacity in just 2 hours, storing up to 32 AA or 36 AAA cells for quick access. The process is so fast and effortless, you'll never wait around again. In a dim-lit basement or a vibrant game room, this wall-mounted marvel draws attention with its glowing retro pixel display and arcade ambiance. This isn't your average wall art. It's the gateway to competitive play, solo challenges, and endless customization. Welcome to an electronic era where digital darts meet vintage charm. The game thrives on advanced recognition technology that tracks each toss with precision, creating fast-paced, live-action gaming. Whether you're challenging friends or training alone, every dart registers instantly, removing the guesswork and keeping the momentum going. What elevates this platform is its endless expansion potential. Programmable games and widgets make it more than a dartboard. Want to turn it into a scoreboard, timer, or light show? Easy. It evolves with your creativity. The Chargeek Retro 67 watts blends classic design with modern technology, offering a stylish yet powerful charging solution. With a maximum output of 67 watts, it ensures quick charging for a variety of devices, including smartphones, laptops, and tablets. The real-time power display provides users with an immediate and accurate visual of the current power usage, making it easier to manage charging tasks efficiently. Equipped with 3 USB-C outputs, this charger can simultaneously power multiple devices, enhancing productivity and convenience. Whether at home, in the office, or on the go, the Chargeek Retro 67 watts is built to support the demands of modern gadgetry. Its compatibility with a wide range of devices further adds to its versatility, making it an essential tool for anyone who requires consistent and efficient power delivery.